Hello, I'm going to discuss about the different features which are available in eztalks. This is the audio, this is the video. When I switch it on, you can see me. If I put it off, the video will not be available. I can invite the participants by using the URL or simply copying the invitation, and I can send them the mail and I can invite the participants to attend the meeting. Then this is the participants. Right now I am the only one here, so you can see only one, but I can see the list of the participants when the participants are joining the meeting. Then here is the share. So I can share desktop or I can share a whiteboard. Then there is a chat box. Then there is a recording, polling, rooms. Rooms are not available in the free version. And then here there are more things which are available, that is setting, meeting information, etc. Now how to use these different features? First of all, invitation. I can invite by copying the URL. I can simply copy it over here and send the email. So I can invite the participants by sending the mail. Then participants, number of participants. Right now I am the only one in the meeting. There is nobody joining the meeting. I can mute all the participants. I can unmute all the participants, or I can lock the meeting. I can open the video. So accordingly I can control them. Then is the share screen. I can either share the whiteboard. So when I click onto the whiteboard, I see the whiteboard which has the different feature. So I can use the pencil, I can use the highlighter, I can use the text, I can select it, or I can use the eraser. So this is how I can share the whiteboard. Then I can share the screen or I can share the desktop. So when I click on to share desktop, I can select whatever files I want to select from my desktop. So I can select it and then I can display it over here. So I can simply cancel it. There is the chat box. So I can type here and then I can just send it. So anything, any URL I want to send, I can send it through the chat box. So I can simply type it over here and then I can send it. So that is about the chat box. I can record the meeting. I can have live polling during the meeting. So I can add the poll questions and I can take the polling during the meeting. Rooms. The breakout rooms are not available in the free version, but otherwise we can have the rooms as well. And here the meeting information, settings, and whatever problems we have, we can just solve them. So that is what is available. So this is how the eztalk is really very easy to use. The only problem that I am facing right now is when I schedule the meeting, I can schedule it only for the 10 minutes and then I can join again for the meeting. That's it. Thank you for watching.